night view, guys. Alright, so this is street view on Elite Jamaica. This is street view on Elite Jamaica, guys. Yallahs, St. Thomas heading into Kingston. So this is how the streets in Jamaica are a couple minutes before curfew hours. Guys, I don't know, say a road may I come from, work may I come from. It's not like I'm coming on the road in curfew hours. I'm actually coming from work. I went to Stokes Hall today. I also went to the Moran Point Lighthouse. Guys, I don't know if you check out them video there. Trust me, them video they're solid. But anyway, guys, I'm in Yallahs heading to Kingston. So this is what the road looks like in the night. Alright, I want you guys to see the roadworks also, the St. Thomas main road roadworks. Although I'm gonna come back and do a video about that, but more on if you see that. And most dangerous communities in Jamaica at night tonight will be Rockfort and the Mountain View. So look out for that video there also, guys. I am doing these videos in batches because the Prime Minister has decided that we will have like 2 weeks or 3 weeks of lockdown, where it will be a midday curfew. And honestly, I won't be able to go to the country and get back by midday and complete a vlog. When it's 5 o'clock, I have to wake up and leave. You understand? So I'm doing these videos from now, so in that time I'll be able to do the closer ones within Kingston and St. Catherine. Alright, guys, so yeah, man, if you're not there with me, let me know in the comment section below. Type here. Alright, so we're there in Yallahs. I now drive fast, peeps. Even though I'm kind of late, I'm not sure what time it is. And I saw the road look. Yeah, man, I saw the road look. And put my light on brighter. One headlight at work, one brake light at work, but I have the light in the windscreen or on the back still. So I now break the law. I don't know, every time I go up on the road, I realize something else go wrong. As you know, guys, I do journeys, long distance. So that's one of the reasons. So that's why, guys, sometimes when going on the journeys, like me I go up on a far journey, we ask for like donations or contributions towards that journey, because sometimes it's really hard, guys. Alright? But anyway, here with our Yallahs, we're at the Poor Man's Corner now. Go and listen to some music, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
When people are like bright at night time, you know, man, them don't dim light, you know, I think there should be a charge against that, because like seriously that can cause accident. Yeah? Then goodly I go say on everybody, people to make sure them light, but not every car built with lights that are extra bright like those, because those are modified headlights, most of them. The one them honestly look green and blue on them thing there. Modified headlights. Alright? I have like 6 lights on the front of my car, and sometimes when the light them are coming off, I wonder, especially the Voxy then. The people that drive Voxy, type Voxy in the comment section below. I'm afraid I want to swear. Shout out to the people in front 876 Street Group, Jamaica. Alright? Yeah, man, 876 Jamaica. Racers. Big up on yourself. Shout to now, long time, man. You see? Want me sticker, you know? Yeah, man, I need my sticker because I go all about over Jamaica, so that's good promotion. So 876 Streets, y'all reach out to me if you're interested, alright? So to the peeps, I'm going to Mark and I see this lady, she have her daughter with her. And like, she and her daughter just the same, which nothing is wrong with that. You know, that's something that where you're child just the same. But then when she have her no normal no peeps, you see me? She have everybody no man like her in her head. And she just her daughter the very same thing. What do you think about that? That not right. You understand? It's like they're putting out their daughters to the pedophiles out there. You understand? And her daughter, about 4 or 5 years old. And she have this thing where each up on her, one little all-in-one something. And lady, if you watch that video, trust me, you need to do better. Like seriously, I never normally send messages like these in my video. But if you watch this, you head in the stripe something, the rainbow color something, and your daughter in the same color and the mark here today, you need to do better. Yeah man, because that don't look good, you see? So So guys, the St. Thomas Road is, oh yeah, we have 4 months down now guys. Yeah. St. Thomas Road is not all that bad right now. I'm not gonna lie, just that the road is being worked on, but most of the place they kind of patch it out, because all through Comfort and them place they patch out decent peeps. Alright, so I'm not complaining. So this is 4 months corner going down to the bridge, the Yallahs bridge. That's where the Yallahs fording was, where Cliff Twang did the song, nobody gonna cross it, but then the bridge was built now so we can cross it, yeah? Now, the Yallahs in the comment section below, for those of you who are familiar with this place, or who come from Yallahs, alright? Yeah man. So guys, I'm really trying to film the whole entire journey until I get to Red Hills. However, if the camera run hot, it's gonna lock off, I'm feeling. Alright, at night now, so it's not supposed to run hot anyway. Alright? The body actually being curfew. Bright is a shame. And guys, if I can't see a front of me now go down, you know. Because even put on my light, I now go out my light on the left. Because one of my headlights work and put it down on bright. I just realize that right now. So I don't want to go down and then one truck park on the left, on the side of the road or something. You understand what I say? So I take my time. So guys, I'm trying to give you valuable content for the time you spend watching. Tomorrow, maybe I will go to Westmoreland, I'm not sure. Or I think we just go back and go to Dalvey in St. Thomas. The rest are slave sites and the hanging tree and all of that. The maroon site. Yeah, there's one there also. So I think we just go do that tomorrow. Yeah. I know a real policeman that's in a peeps. Plastic. You know, they catch me every time. Anybody see that a while ago, type in the comment section down below. I know say I watch, alright? The thing is, you know guys, even though I want headlight work and put it on bright, if I give them the bright light, I'm have to go dim them light now, but I don't like do that. But sometimes I really have to do it. It's a truck this it look like. Yeah guys, the road dark. So this is Albion going down to Grandspin now. Yeah babes, so here the transmission sound different now. Yeah, transmission sort out, engine service. Yeah, one problem I have a slight problem with the reverse, because the transmission are really good still, no peeps. You understand? But as I'm telling you in the next video, I'm going to deal with it until I can buy one. I need one, so I just have to go and see if I money to buy one, because they're kind of expensive. Guys, you know, these night view videos, I actually enjoy them, because when I drive go home from the vlogs and like doing these videos and talking to you guys, I feel like on the day in the car. I don't know so much how I'm going in the car still, but I feel like on the day in the car with my peeps, so it makes me I feel more safe. I drive safer, I drive easy, I'm not afraid, so I'm not going to rush to reach home and all of that. You know? If you don't hear what I said a while ago, let me know in the comment section. Correspond with me, let me know so you're there with me, alright? Let me see how much people that are there in the car. Alright, so type 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see 1 already, type 2. If you see 2, type 3. If you see 2, 3, type 4. Let me see how much I would have there in the car piece. Let me see if the car that whole. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, a long time I want to get to that some of the shaking out of the car. Thank you to the subscribers who have actually donated to Elite Jamaica. The subscribers who actually help to make the car get back on the road so quick. Because you know I have an accident the other day. Alright, so now we're back on the road. And because of that, because of you guys, you actually help me, I decide to say, you know what, I just go on the road and do what I have to do and make you see the place. Alright, so reach where the road work is being done. Sorry, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the exact road work. Like if you see over there, so that would be one of the entrance roads to go up, like about 6 truck park up there. So guys, tomorrow I promise you guys in the vlog tomorrow while going to Dalvey, I will show you this section of the road work that is being done in St. Thomas. Alright, I'm telling you, major construction I do at St. Thomas. But I still not understand why these roads are moving so fast and the ones up in York, them now move. You understand? I kind of wonder if it's like because the road is so small and everybody have to use the road, meaning all them are work, or is because this one is gonna be more like a more main thoroughfare than really a work on this first. However, they're working and they're working hard. As we can notice up in York and them places, the road really bad right now and it's full of dust. But you know what? I don't have a problem because since the management was changed the other day after the threat, after the roadworks threat, my sister them all work, and shout out to the MP them all do them work here because I'm not a politician, I don't believe in politics. But if you're in a position and you have something to do and you do a good job, yeah man, I have to big you up. So big up to the MP them all do them work because the thing is being done. Alright, and yeah, we'll get road. So in order to reach into the light, we have to go through the dark. So we're going to drive on some bad road for now. We can't get to from that because if you fix the road, you really, it's going to get dig up away, you understand? And I was saying the other day on the show, sometimes to make something good, we have to break it down and start it from scratch. And that's basically what is being done with the road because I never have no road from morning. You understand? The best set of roads, somebody just come now and carry me, know that. You see me, the best set of car, the best set of roads are where the, as my friend said the other day, are where the backside trucks drive. I don't know what I'm going to write, I send people, I swear. And then my windscreen kind of stay on way no man. Them truck your park and him up on him light and him not dim him light and you don't know if him up on the right or the left. What if my light them never good? What if it's somebody that come up when I have good light? Because as I'm telling you, sometimes light get bad. You cannot drive a come down and your light blow. You have other light when you carry and 2 of them do and young lock, 2 are come down. That you come down the road. Well, you're supposed to look if him up on the right or the left, but then it confuses me because the road is small. And then you, knowing that he's supposed to be on the right of you, you try to stick to the left and go over and go in. If you lock off him like that. Don't peeps, tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. Because I don't know if I make a mistake, you know, but tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. You can't park on the opposite side and have your lights them on. Turn on your hazard light then and make me see well I park your park. You see me? So this guys, we just come through Grandspen and we are going up the hill now. That was Grandspen we just came through because the truck man parked there, so I'm not even know what to tell you guys. But anyway, that was Grandspen. Work again guys, all up there that is being dug off because that's going to be one of the entrance road to go up on the highway. I'm not sure if it's going to be a toll road or if it's just going to be a highway. On the right over here, if you notice, that's road also that is being built. So the 2 sides, so all of you, so I got full up peeps. You see me, it's going to be one straight road from Albion. Alright, tomorrow in the morning guys, catch that video and you will see how the road is going to be set up. Alright, because you will see better in the days. like bright. I'm not driving with bright light because I want to work from left and bright. I'm not supposed to drive with one headlight. I just pass one man now that where am I come from? I've got to check back the video see if you see me in the video. Now there's a place in Dalvey where them say one hanging tree there where if you take picture around there. The picture now will come out and now I will see the picture. So I want to see if I make one video around there. If the video now I can upload. You let me know in the comment section what you think. Alright? Yeah man. So we'll go up the hill peeps. Let's see I climb the hill good so far. Transmission are blocking in the peeps. Yeah man. Now I rev to that again. Yeah man, we linked to patrol a while ago. Never see them still. Road works again up here guys. Sorry, I'm not sure what that's all about. Either I'm gonna come up the hill or I'm gonna come down the hill. Come here, sir. Van there did have a yellow plate, but not a police vehicle. That was not a police vehicle. I don't know what it have on siren. So guys, as remember I asked the question if you think these videos should be a series. Let me know in the comment section down below, alright? Guys, it's now 5 minutes after 8. We just checked the time, I not even realize. 5 minutes after 8, guys. Guys, the siren a get closer. like uphill them that come behind me. Because them closer guys. I don't know what it's all about. But I hear some siren that come behind me. And I know no sound now play on my phone. And I'm alone in the car. Some I don't know what I'm. I just me alone in the car. Any of you guys have a siren in your pockets? Let me know, please. Because I don't have none. I hear siren. And I hear it now, guys. And it's the cops. No, ambulance. It's an ambulance, guys. So I'm shot them behind me, I don't know, where am I going so far? I know I'm not drive fast. Now I'm forcing nobody to make me drive fast, so now I can go around. Like the pips. Yeah guys, we are now entering Bull Bay. Yeah? On the body of them now. taxi. You want to say peeps? Taxi. What's up? Why do I want to go somewhere? No, after curfew. Where am I going? on here some peeps. Yeah guys, this is the Rockfort stoplight guys at night. Most dangerous communities in Kingston at night guys. Yeah, so now we just enter Rockfort. Alright, this is the electric company over on the left, the Archers on the right, and now we are going around the corner up here so to the entrance of the power company, the same power company over on the left over this. And then the JUTC Centre beside that. Then you have KFC on the right. And then one gas station, then you have, what you call it, Warwick Lane. That are the bus station over there, some peeps. Right now my petrol low, and the gas station locked, so I'm just try heading because after 8 now guys, you know, curfew time catch me, couldn't avoid that peeps, you know. And guys, for those who I say I do this for views, this is not for views, actually I come from work right now. And this is the closest way to drive go home. So I'm actually giving you guys this footage. This is Rockfort guys in the night. Alright, Rockfort where, like, Rockfort is a nice place. Yeah, just you have some communities that are volatile. I know some people classify as volatile when I really classify it as volatile either. Because these are places where you can't drive through night and not to you. See it, so yeah. But them are some of the most dangerous communities in Kingston. Oh yeah, Mountain View guys. This is Mountain View Avenue, turn up now guys. Mountain View Avenue heading up to Stadium, then New Kingston, then Waterloo. Alright, so we're up on Mountain View now guys, Mountain View Avenue. Now I don't hear about Mountain View Avenue, so I'm just showing you guys in the night because persons say a lot of things about these areas. You notice, carried up on the road same way. What that sound there? I don't know what that. I'm not wait for hear. I hear that now the camera peeps me, I check the video and see if I actually hear it back. Because I'm not wait for hear what that. Make my way go up the road. Yeah? Nah, I do not hear this overtext still. But guys, that sound like a shot a while ago and that be right at the gate when I just pass, you know. You see me? I really have to check myself if I get shot or something, yo. I swear. I'm frightened a while ago. But you know guys, when I'm driving, I don't get panic easy. No matter the sound me hear, I focus on the road first and then I check what I go on. You understand? Because at the end of the day, if something happens, you have to get out of there, you understand? Yeah. So right now I'm nervous no hell. I don't know what happened here a while ago, but so far I think everything good still. I'm gonna carry move from front of me. Guys, I'm telling you about when I get robbed. In a taxi I get robbed. Here peeps. I wait for a taxi on the same Mountain View Avenue. Up at the top of Mountain View Avenue where I have a hotel named Creve Court. Now my girlfriend at the hotel and it's like me I go link my friend down bottom side station in Nannyville. My mother used to live in that scheme, so I go link my family and my friend them. I'm one taxi pass and the man I say, yo, like, yo, what go on? Here's the taxi I pass you. Some things say I'm a friend. I'm going in taxi guys, I've gone the man pulled for me. You see me? Rob me, take off my chain, my ring. That's why I'm not wear jewelry from that guys. You guys notice me not wear jewelry? Yeah, the whole of my money out of my pocket. I have one money, so I bring go give my mother them take the whole of that. Give me back $50 if you pay for you, don't give me back a Rizla and take. You understand? When I come out of the car now, them say, you know, I'm not killing you a good youth, one bag of talking. And him have a gun in a peeps. Then him let me out. Him let me out of the car, right below Excelsior, where you turn to go down the near road. And when I come out of the car, like, I look back in the car, him say, yo, look here. And I say, come I look, because I don't want him shoot me in the back and in my head back. He say, when I look peeps, a pepper spray and spray in my eyes, so I'm going to get to see. Know where power me I go. You understand? But anyway, I'm a forgiving person and somebody when I see after that, you know, people surprisingly in half a tree, you know, I load taxi, you know, but it's gone already and I didn't do anything about it, so, you know, yeah, peeps. So that road is my personal experience on the road, so that taxi I know where they're from. Yeah, peeps, back to Mountain View. Camera cut a while ago, I don't know when it cut still, I never had to take notice, but sorry about that, guys. You understand? The phone run at some time when I film and show me I use it the whole day, guys, alright? So yeah, or maybe a call that come in or something, not sure. But guys, yeah, we're back on Mountain View. As me that say, when you reach on stoplight at the night, guys, especially places like these, don't go up on the stoplight, go stop. Take your time, go up on the stoplight. By the time you reach up on the light, it turn green, you understand? Try if you avoid stopping on the red light. If nobody know behind you, just take your time, go up. You don't have to speed, go down on the light, go stop. Take your time, go up on the light.